Nintendo has had a very, very fantastic year in 2023. They have seen both commercial and critical success, and it's really all centered around the Nintendo Switch. At this point, the Switch is, I don't know, like 6 or 7 years old now, and it just continues to succeed, and Nintendo just pumps out great games for it. Well, their success can definitely be seen in the fact that Nintendo's stock market price has actually hit an all-time high on the last trading day of the year. So apparently its peak price for the stock dates all the way back to the Wii and DS era. Yeah, that's right, I'm talking November 2007, okay? This was over 16 years ago. I can't get an exact number, but it looks like it was somewhere in the ballpark of 7,300 yen. But on the final day of the year for trading in the stock market, Nintendo's stock achieved its highest point ever in the company, reaching 7,395 yen per share, which is about a little over 52 US dollars per share, which is very good. Now, in case you're curious, this is the Japanese stock market. You can't really buy this in the US economy. There are two US stock equivalents of the Nintendo stock, which are NTDOY and NTDOF, but these do not exactly reflect the actual Nintendo stock based out of Tokyo. I just wanted to mention that as a side note because I was looking it up on Google and I was kind of confused as well. On a broader scale though, this really just highlights Nintendo's success, as I said, with the Switch, but I think also some of it can be credited to their efforts and success that they got from the Super Mario Bros. Movie, and I'm sure a lot of the projected success that they will have in the future in the eyes of investors. You know, if I'm an investor and I see that movie did really well and it's only their first big movie, I'm going to be putting a lot of money into the Nintendo stock. Add to the fact that they had such a great year with The Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom and the Mario Wonder game. Both of those were just huge successes. Now, some of it is also attributed to the rebound effect from last year's shortage-related supply constraints. The stock market overall did not do very well last year, so with the bounce back from that, plus just the huge success that Nintendo has had this year, all of that led to the best conclusion to 2023 that Nintendo investors and just Nintendo in general could have ever asked for. Here's hoping for just as much of a successful 2024 to Nintendo. They've definitely had a successful year with a lot of hard work, and it looks like with this new stock price record, they are getting what they deserve from it.